Come test drive the 2017 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, tailgate step, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.